It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another step-by-step tutorial on how to personalize your Edge browser homepage settings. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to the channel, remember click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Edge browser. Sometimes when you open up your Edge browser, it's displayed this way, and in this regard, we can personalize some of the information we want to see in the home page like this. So what you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can personalize your home page in Edge browser. And the very first thing you need to do is to come to the three dots from the top right here. Click on this three dot, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you navigate to settings. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to go to start home and new page. Click on that. Then the next thing you need to do under the new tab page, customize your new tab page right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on customize right here. Click on that. Then it will redirect you back to your home page like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to allow the customize window to pop up, just like what you see right here. Now, under the customized page settings right here, just like what you see from the headline right here, page settings. So you have region and language. Right here, you can click on here and change your language right here. So whatever language you choose right here is what you are going to have in the home display of your Edge browser. Everything is going to change automatically. So the next thing you can do right here, you can scroll down right here. Take a look at the layout of your Edge browser. If you want to change the layout of your Edge browser, you can switch from full page to partial view. So when you click and it display and show you how it's going to look like, you can simply scroll down and check on more information. So click on this part. Now we have it right here. If you are not satisfied with the customize this home page, you can simply go back and check on headline. So heading. So if you're comfortable with something like this, then you can see the newsfeed is going to be at the bottom, while your browse search engine is going to be on the front page. The next thing you can do, you can simply click on page setting again. Now, if you want to change your background, maybe you are not comfortable with this kind of background you have by default, what you need to do is to click on edit background. Then here, you can choose any available background right here, just like so. Then you can click on here to swipe and see more different types of available background. I'm going to use this. Once you choose a background, it's going to be reflected in the background, just like so. Change background new, background daily. If you want your background to be displayed or changed on daily basis, you can simply turn on this particular toggle button, and it's that simple. So just like so, then we can simply click on here again, click on edit background. So by default, I'm going to select a particular background. You can use video background if you like. Okay, so I'm going to change to another background right here. I will simply click on here and swipe. I'm going to click on here and check in more. I'm going to choose this particular background right here. And once you select the background, it's going to be reflected, just like what you see right here. So if you are comfortable with some stuff like this, you are good to go. Then let's go back to the page setting again. Then right here, you can decide to disable weather report. So if you don't want to see weather report, just like what you see from the top right here, 26 centigrade. So if you want to disable weather report, simply turn off this particular button. Once you turn off, you see the weather report has disappeared. You can decide what you really want to show on your home page right here. You can come to custom theme right here, click on change custom theme. Then from here, you can go to customize theme. So customize theme right here allow you to change different color, or you can use AI generator theme, install theme from AI plugin, etc. You can scroll down right here and see more. You can come to the top right here and change from system theme, or you can choose to light theme, or better still, you can change to dark theme. Everything depends on how you want your theme to be. So I'm going to simply go back to the home page right here. Now we are done with theme settings. So content settings right here. Click on manage content setting. Under the manage content setting, this is where you can choose what are the content you want to be shown in your Edge browser. So you can decide to disable some of the content on your Edge browser. I'm going to disable traffic card right here. So you can scroll down and see show today moment card. I'm going to disable this. So you can disable as many as possible. Daily weather, so community, TV and movie series, I'm going to disable that. Then you can simply click on the plus sign right there and click on to create a new home tab. So when you create a new home tab, you see how your home page is going to look like in Edge browser. Just like what you see right here, I've disabled some of the things right here. Then we can simply click on this setting back again and go back to page setting, then scroll down right here and see some of the things we can also work on. The very last thing right here is notification setting. Click on manage notification setting. Here you can decide to disable all notification pop up in Edge browser. For you to do that, simply turn off this particular toggle button and all no unnecessary notification is going to be disabled. And by doing this, you have saved a lot of great energy battery on your PC. So it's as simple as that. I'm going to click on here to create a new tab. I think my home page on Edge browser look very much mature and clean, just like so. It's as simple as that. You can use all this method to personalize everything about how best you want your home page to look like in Edge browser. If you find this tutorial useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.